Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Amazon Prime membership. So this is going to be particularly useful for people who want to unsubscribe for Amazon Prime, just in case maybe they're using a family member's Prime account now, or they simply just don't order enough from Amazon. So be sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point, and so let's go ahead and get started. But before we do get started though, I do want to make sure that your Amazon application, the one that looks like this brown icon here, is up to date. So do make sure that you go into the App Store or Google Play Store and make sure that it's up to date. Now, once you have that up to date / you have it installed, let's go ahead and open it up. Now, on the bottom hand side, you're going to see this person that has an icon next to its name. So as you can see, it's this one here. Let's go ahead and click on that. Next, on this page here, you want to click on your account. Once you click on your account, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says Manage Prime Membership. So here on this page, you can see it says Manage Prime Membership, which is a toggle button. It's located right above Content Library. Let's click on Manage Prime Membership. Now, once you've clicked on Manage Prime Membership, go ahead and click on Manage Membership, which is a toggle button. And then from here, you're going to see a series of buttons. You can see your Prime plan, your renewal date, and Manage Membership. Now, once more, we are going to click on Manage Membership. So from this page here, you can see that you can end your membership as the last prompt. So if you click on End Membership, you just need to follow the series of prompts that allow you to go ahead and confirm that you actually want to end your Amazon Prime membership. So this is the best and easiest way that I know to actually go ahead and end your Prime membership. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in